Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Mobomoto, and you can see here today I have this box of Redmi Note 7 over here. So I'm going to unbox this device for you today. So let's have a look at the unboxing first, then I will tell you exactly. I have already unboxed this device, but just to give you reference what content you will get and what kind of order will be. So just look at that. So you can see here this is the box, and packaging is very nice if you can see. And if I'll tell you, some of the specifications are mentioned over here, just like you can see here clearly that it has 48 megapixel camera and with 5 megapixel depth sensor. And here you can see this is powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 660, 6.3-inch Full HD Plus display with dot notch display and 4000 mAh battery. And this is 4 gigs and 64 gigs variant, if you can see here. And the price of the device, you can clearly see. Just I am going to focus on the price. So you can see here this is of 13,999 rupees. So this is of 14,000 device, but you will get it at 10,000 now on Flipkart only. So let's have a look on the unboxing first. So the first what you will get inside the box is this box inside the box, and in this box you will get here SIM ejector tool and this TPU case for your device, and there are few documentation. So these are the contents I will get, and this is the device itself. And it's little, you can just, I'm just peeling off this paper first. So you can see here this is device, and this is of blue color variant. So I'll give you specifications later on. And you are getting here the cable, which seems to be very nice, and build quality of cable is very nice. You can see the ports, and thanks MI that it is providing you type C cable with this device. And apart from that, you are getting here charging brick, which is a normal 2 ampere charger, 10 watt. It is not fast charger, but for your information I would like to tell you that this device supports quick charging 4.0, so you can use fast charger with it. So these were the contents what you will get with the device, and I have already set it up for you. So you can see this is the phone, and if I'll give you an overview, then it is 45 megapixel plus 5 megapixel camera along with LED flash fingerprint sensor. And here at the bottom you can see Redmi by Xiaomi badging. At the bottom there one speaker, one microphone, and at the middle you are getting here type C connector. At left side you are getting volume rocker along with power button, and at the right side you are getting here SIM ejector tray. And at the top you can see here this is secondary mic for noise cancellation. This is 3.5mm jack, and this is IR blaster. So it is also one of the special feature of Xiaomi devices that it do provide IR blaster for remote control. At the top here you can see here this is front camera, and this is earpiece at the very top, and this is the 6.3-inch Full HD Plus display. So you can see the closer look how it is looking, I mean the quality of display, and it seems to be very nice in the first impression, if you can see here. So this is MIUI, which is running on the top of Android Pie. So these are the specifications, and now have a look in settings also. So let's go into settings and have a look in what kind of system software you are getting in this device. So this is basically MIUI, which is running top of Android. So if you can see, about phone is at the very top, and this is powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon. It is also given here, this is 4 gigs variant, and out of 4 gigs you will get So you can see here, this is Redmi, and you are already getting here the system update, which is of MIUI 11 now. So I'll download it later on, and let's have a look on the Android version basically. So these are the specifications. I'm not able to find out where is the actually Android system app updater is also over here. And if you can see this, it is a lot of customization over here. You will get total MI interface. It will never look you like a stock Android. It will never give you feel of that kind of UI. So it is very heavily loaded by MI, and Android version you are getting here Pie, if you can see here, and so it is running on Android 9. So now have a look at the cameras also. If I'll click some of the pictures for you, so just for the reference I have placed these articles for you so that you can identify how. And if I'll talk about camera quality, it is very nice. You can see here I'm zooming it at the maximum level, and even the qualities are as same as a natural what I'm looking the real object. It's a bit saturated, oversaturated, just for making it more good looking. The objects will be a little bit oversaturated, will be different from natural. And there's some of the modes also here. Just you can take a short videos, and then video recording, then photo, and then portrait mode. Then night mode is also present over here. It is a square mode. Panorama is also, and pro mode. And pro mode, basically if you are a camera expert you can use this mode. I am not very familiar with the camera interface. I'm not a photographer, but yes, it is providing you pro mode also. So you can take a decent picture with this device, as I showed you some of the picture sample shots. And apart from these software interface, and I'll provide my verdict that this is good device, good looking device. You are getting here glass body at the back and front also. So overall, in my case I'll say it's a big thumbs up. You can go for it, and at 10,000 rupees it's one of the best device as of now which is available in the market. So you can see overall it was nice interaction with this device. I'll give you detailed review also later on after using it few days. And I hope you like this video, and if you really like this video, please don't forget to hit like button and subscribe my channel for more such videos. Thanks for watching Mobo Moto. See you again in the next video. Bye bye. See you again in the next video. Arvind Soja signing off.